See, this video is especially for those who are suffering from hair loss, those who are not getting any kind of results in their hair regrowth journey. So this video is especially for you. See, back in 2024, I was suffering from severe hair loss, a very severe hair loss. Why I was suffering from a very severe hair loss? Because I was in a chronic situation. I was in a chronic stress. I was suffering from telugen effluvium. I was suffering from dengue, and after that I got telugen effluvium. मुझे उसके बाद telugen effluvium हो गया. What is telugen effluvium? Telugen effluvium is a condition. I won't go that much deep, but that is a condition in which your so much hair fall starts too much. Your hair will start to fall a lot. Okay, a lot. So okay, this is the thing. This is telugen effluvium, and it's been like almost 2 years. It's been almost 2 years, but my hair fall has been stopped. But the most important, that I am not able to see any kind of hair regrowth. You can see now my hairs are very dense. You are able to see my hair are very dense. No, don't care about the what we say hairline, because my hairline is like this. And the most important thing, that I am suffering from hair, not seeing any kind of hair regrowth. There are my almost, this crown area is almost full of low density. Are in my crown area, in my scalp, in my crown area scalp, there are few hairs only, because these hairs are very long. That's why you won't be able to see the gap in between my hair. Are you able to see? Are you able to see the gaps in between my hairs? See, this is the problem I'm suffering from. So what's the solution? See, if you want to, if you are going for medication, you can go for medication, but I'm not going for any kind of minoxidil treatment. I won't go for, because I don't think so. I need to go for a minoxidil treatment, because I'm not suffering from a genetic hair loss, bro. It's not. I'm not suffering from any kind of genetic hair loss. Okay, I was suffering from a chronic stress, chronic situation. I was going through that chronic situation. Dengue. I was going for before dengue and all that stuff. My hair was really awesome, man. Like, यहाँ पे जो क्राउन एरिया, यहाँ पे थोड़े से बाल की डेंसिटी कम है फ्रॉम माई चाइल्डहुड. फ्रॉम व्हेन आई वाज बोर्न, वहाँ से तब से लेकर अब तक वहाँ पे ऐसा ही है. But the main issue is, when I was before my weight loss journey, before my all these problems, I was having really great hairs. Okay, I was really having great hairs. Let me show you my some pictures of my when I was a child. Okay, let me show you my some pictures. So for example, you can see my picture. This picture was taken in 2012. Okay, now you can see my hairs full of hair density. Okay, full of hair density. This is my pictures back in 2020, 2012. This was my picture. So I'm suffering from a situation. I'm suffering from this problem, and I've taken medication. I'm properly, all things are on point. Okay, my sleep, my diet, my workout routine. I'm training. Okay, I'm an active person. I'm waking up like at 7:30 a.m. I go for a walk. Okay, vitamin D is on point. All vitamins are good. Protein is on on a much higher scale. And stress is also not that too much. Yes, stress is there in my life, but not that much. Okay, not depression wala stress, जो उतना stress नहीं है. I'm suffering from stress, but not that much. Okay, it's a minimal stress, I would say. All things are correct. Sleep is also on is correct. All things are correct. I'm training. I'm taking protein. I'm even taking multivitamins. Okay, bicardextramine, I'm taking that multivitamins, but still I'm not able to see any single results. I am I've been taking medications. I'm taking all the precautions very goodly, and far from 6 मतलब जनवरी से ये सब मतलब कर रहा हूँ मैं सारी चीज़ें ऑन पॉइंट ही, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ऑल थिंग्स आर ऑन पॉइंट. आई एम ईटिंग 5 eggs a day, whole eggs by the way, and eating 100 rupees chicken is around 350 to 370 grams of chicken each and every fucking day. Eating carbohydrates, all things are correct, training each and every day, walking, supplementation, but still why I'm not able to see any growth? Because I think so medication will give you results for some long for extent. ओके उनकी भी एक बाउंड्री है. आप ये सारी चीज़ें एक ऑन पॉइंट रखो, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है आई थिंक सो दैट दिस ऑल थिंग्स हैव अ बाउंड्री. इफ़ यू वांट टू गो बियॉन्ड दैट, if you want more hair regrowth, I'm not suffering from hair fall right now. No hair fall, okay, see, no hair fall, see, I'm not suffering from any kind of hair fall, you can see clearly, see, okay, only एक आध बाल अभी एक टूट के आ गया, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट सफरिंग फ्रॉम हेयर फॉल, बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम दैट आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम नो हेयर रीग्रोथ. ओके, आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी एनी काइंड ऑफ हेयर रीग्रोथ ऑन माई स्कैल्प. स्पेशली मेरे पीछे के बाल तुम देखोगे ना, भरे हुए पूरे के पूरे. साइड के देखो भरे हुए, देखो देखो साइड के बाल देखो, बट जब इधर के बाल आते थे मेरी वाट लगी बड़ी है. सो आई थिंक सो इफ़ यू वांट टू गो बियॉन्ड दैट, इफ़ यू वांट टू ब्रेक दैट बाउंड्री, आई थिंक सो यू शुड बी टेकिंग सम काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट, whether it is minoxidil or PRP treatment, GFC treatment, or some kind of treatment you have to take, I would say, or hair transplant in some very in rare cases, in extreme cases, I would say you have to take hair transplant also. तो मैं तुमको यही कह रहा हूँ. आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू समथिंग दैट इफ़ यू आर डूइंग ऑल करेक्ट, डाइट इज़ ऑन पॉइंट, medication, stress is very below moderate amount, below or moderate, your stress is below moderate amount, and all things are going, or if your stress is on moderate level, all the things are you are doing correctly, your diet is on point, supplementation is on point, you are taking each and every supplement, vitamins, you have no nutrition deficiency, no more nutrition deficiency, or very less nutrition deficiency. That will be not that much problem, it will not cause you that much problem. And protein is on high point, you are active guy, okay, all things are on correct, all things are correct, but still not getting results, still not getting any hair regrowth. I would say bro, इनकी भी एक boundaries होती है. This kind of things have such boundaries. अगर ये सब चीज़ों से होता, if after doing all this stuff, okay, why then treatment like PRP is made, okay, is been made, why this kind of treatment is been made? If all things are all the things are correct, your diet, all the things are on a very correct, is very correct, is all right, but why, if it is the solution, only and only solution, all the things, सारी चीज़ें अगर on point है, and अगर वही solution है, then PRP और ये सब treatment क्यों बनी हुई है? Then why PRP, GFC, etc treatment is been made? If डाइट और ये सब करके अगर मैं रिजल्ट्स लेकर आऊँ तो नहीं हो पाता ब्रो. इनकी भी एक बाउंड्रीज होती है. दिस सप्लीमेंटेशन, दिस ऑल थिंग्स हैव अ बाउंड्रीज. यू वांट, यू कांट गो बियॉन्ड दैट. अगर आपकी मेरी जैसी प्रॉब्लम है, इफ़ यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम माई टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, आई थिंक सो you should be taking some kind of treatment. Don't go for minoxidil. Go for minoxidil only if you have genetic hair loss. If you don't have genetic hair loss, and if you have a problem like me, if you have been suffering from nutrition deficiency, hair fall because of nutrition deficiency, hair fall because of weight loss, weight loss, sorry, or suffering from, you have been suffering, in past you have been suffering from any kind of chronic diseases, stress, or depression, or telogen effluvium, etc. So I would say in this case don't use minoxidil, because after using minoxidil your hair will get completely dependent on your what you say, minoxidil. And if you stop taking minoxidil, you will start to see a tremendous amount of hair fall. Okay, so don't go for minoxidil if you are not suffering from genetic hair loss. If you are suffering from genetic, I would say bro, listen to me. I would say don't listen to any YouTuber, don't listen to me. Just go for dermatologist, go for the dermatologist, tell him your story, each and every point. चलेगा आधा घंटा लो, पौना घंटा लो, उसको बोलो कि मैं उसका एक्स्ट्रा पैसा दूंगा, तू मेरी पूरी बात सुन. उसके बाद तो मेरे को वो सॉल्यूशन देना, बोल दो, पैसा का लालच दो उनको, क्योंकि इस दुनिया में पैसा का लालच बहुत ज़रूरी है भाई, ये भारत है। तो मैं तेरे को 500 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा दूंगा, तू मेरी बात पूरी की पूरी सुना, आधा घंटा तेरे को सुनना पड़ेगा, 500 रुपये मैंने दिया आधे घंटे के, तुझे पूरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी मेरी, ठीक है। उसको बोलो, लालच दो कि भाई तुम, मैं तेरे को पैसा दे रहा हूँ, तू मेरी पूरी बात सुन पहले, समझा या समझी, जो भी है। लड़की के साथ ऐसे बात मत करना, बट समझो, पोलाइट वे में बोलो, टेल हिम इन अ वेरी पोलाइट वे, आई विल गिव यू 500 एक्स्ट्रा, बट लिसन माई ऑल पॉइंट्स, लिसन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, ओके, and go for a treatment. I am thinking to go for going, I am thinking to take a PRP treatment, but it is costly, by the way. Per session it's 3000 something like that, so it is costly, but let's see, yeah, I don't even know what will happen, let's see.